channel. So you all had loved my last video a lot. So I am back with the another hairstyle tutorial. I hope you all must be gonna love this video. इन हेयर स्टाइल्स को करना बहुत ही ज्यादा आसान है और आप इसे चुटकियों में यूं कर सकते हैं. तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट कर. You don't need to part your hair. Tie it with an elastic rubber band. And first hairstyle is done. Looks damn cute. Moving on to the second hairstyle, you just need elastic rubber bands and have to tie it. I begin to And now you just need to pull your hair. Hairstyle is done. And the second hairstyle looks super cute. So moving on to the third hairstyle. It is damn easy. Let's get started. Tie your entire hair with a rubber band. That's it, you're done. No, this is not the third hairstyle. Just kidding. Part your ponytail into two equal halves. Things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never. Take an inch from the left side. You blow your mind, just so you know. And mix it with the right side. Again, take a section from the right side and mix it with the left side. Repeat this step till the end. All you need to do is a fishtail braid. When you are comfortable, take this in front because doing from the front is really very easy. Taking your hands back and it just make your arms very painful. So I'm doing it from the front. And when you are done with the desired result, tie it with an elastic rubber band. And you are done. Don't forget to open the ponytail. These hairstyles look super cute and these are super easy. So I hope you all love this video. So if you love this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.
begin to